If you're watching NVDA and wondering, should I buy before earnings or wait? You're not alone. Earnings season confuses most beginners. The charts move fast, the headlines are noisy, and the fear of losing money can stop you from doing anything at all. But that's exactly why this video exists. You don't need hype. You need structure. You don't need luck. You need clarity. Right now, the Fear and Greed Index is at 25. The VIX is at 30. That means fear is high and volatility is rising fast. But this is often when the best setups quietly form, right before anyone else is watching. This is Trade the Fear. And today you'll learn how to trade NVDA's earnings using the Multi RSI, the MA shift histogram, the Wyckoff method, and the 100 shares mission. Here's what we're going to walk through together. What usually happens before and after earnings. Why the Multi RSI just triggered a potential buy. How to confirm trades using the MA shift and lowest channel. What the Wyckoff Spring pattern looks like and how it plays out. And how all of this ties into our long-term strategy to build wealth. One share at a time? Even if you're brand new, don't worry. We'll explain it all as we go. Let's talk about what's happening in the market. Nvidia just took a potential $5.5 billion hit after U.S. restrictions blocked sales of their high-end AI chips to China. Earnings drop on May 28th. The market is spooked. But headlines don't tell the full story. Charts do. So now, we dive into the analysis.
Let's start with momentum. On the 4-hour chart, we're looking at the MA shift histogram. Right now, the bars are yellow, fading from red. That means bearish momentum is softening. On the daily chart, the red bars are also shrinking. The slope is flattening, and that's a sign that sellers are running out of steam. But momentum alone isn't enough. We need to know where price is relative to its trend. That's where the lowest channel comes in. The lowest channel smooths out price to show us the average trend. On the 4-hour chart, price dipped below the bottom band, but bounced back inside. That's what we call a wick rejection, or a support retest. It often signals that buyers are stepping in quietly while retail traders are still nervous. But we still need confirmation that buyers are gaining strength. So next, we check the Multi RSI. The Multi RSI combines multiple time frames into one clear view. It helps us avoid fakeouts and catch real reversals. On the 4-hour chart, the Multi RS. I dropped below 30, then curled back up to 34.9. On the daily chart, it's holding strong above 38. This confirms a Tier 1 buy trigger in the Trade the Fear system, one of our most trusted reversal signals. But there's one more thing we check before getting serious: volume. Even though candles are red, 70% of the volume on the 4-hour chart is green. That means most trades are buys, not sells. This is a stealth accumulation zone. It's when smart money loads up before the big move begins, and when volume, Multi RSI, MA shift, and low S all line up. That's our green light.
Now let's zoom out and talk psychology. With the Wyckoff method, here's how Wyckoff works, in simple terms. All stocks go through 5 phases: accumulation, spring, markup, distribution, markdown. Right now, NVDA looks like it's in phase C, the spring. That's where price dips under support, scares traders out of their positions, and then reclaims the level just before the real breakout happens. If price reclaims the lowest midline and the MA shift flips green, we could be entering phase D, the markup phase. That's when we act. Here's the setup we're watching. Our buy zone is $94 to $96. The first profit target level is $106.70. Second profit target is $112.96. Our stop loss is below $91.50, especially if MA shift flips red again or Multi RSI fails to hold above 30. This is a disciplined, risk-managed setup, not a gamble, a system. And now, here's why we're even doing this. At Trade the Fear, our mission is simple: help beginners build wealth, one share at a time. And NVDA is one of our core 100 share stocks, because this company builds the future: AI, supercomputing, robotics. Not hype, real demand. We don't chase price. We accumulate on dips. We scale out near the top, and we repeat. That's the 100 shares mission. And if you're just getting started, this is your time to begin. Let's hear from you. Do you think NVDA is setting up for a spring bounce before earnings? Or will volatility drag it lower? Comment below and tell us what stock or crypto you want us to chart next. We're building this channel together as a team. If you're still watching, thank you. Here's a gift. Go to www.get100shares.com and download your free beginner wealth guide. It walks you through the 100 shares mission, how to follow the trade the fear system, and how to build wealth one smart decision at a time. If you're new, welcome. If you haven't joined yet, this is your moment. And if you're already on board, pay it forward. Share this mission with someone who needs it, because this isn't just about stocks, it's about freedom. Trade the fear, guiding beginners to build wealth, one share at a time.